These woods burnt in late summer, but they're already showing signs of growth. I'm following the Dall sheep. I just found where the Dall sheep have gone up. They're just beyond these trees. I'm gonna go up and greet them gently and see if they'll accept us to be among them for a while. Alright, pups, come on, this way. This way. Oh, hi. Good morning, you guys. Oh, Shasta, Aspen, do you see the mountain goats? Oh, those are Dall sheep. Do you see them? Aspen, come here. You leave the sheep alone. Good morning. Oh, it is a windy day on your cliff. God bless you. Have a beautiful day, my friends. Good morning to you too. Well, good morning. Hi to you guys also. Oh my. Good puppies. Aspen, Shasta, you're with me. Leave them alone. Good babies. Well, you guys are hard to follow, you know? You take some skinny paths. Yeah, Aspen. You leave the sheep alone. Good girl, little Shasta. Yeah, you see them too. Boy, you guys are hard to keep up with. God bless you too. Thank you, Lord, for letting me be among them. They're about 50 yards away. They know we're following. Yeah. They're putting on quite a show for me. They like to lick the salt off the rocks. I'm staying one level below them, so I don't want to frighten them off. And it's a blessing just to be this close. Hi. Hi. I can't go any higher. I can't go any higher. It gets too narrow. They just keep climbing. Bye, you guys. Thank you for letting me be among you. Bye. Well, you guys, I guess it's time we go on. Hi. Yeah. Well, my friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. I took you all with me in my heart. We all got to get away sometime. Bye. And God bless you. Yeah, come on, Aspen. You leave the Dall sheep alone. Come on. The girl, Shasta. You and Aspen, stay with me. Getting back now. It's a gorgeous view. This is probably the most treacherous part. Loose stones going down. So, it's been awesome. Good baby.